Good morning students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain assignment number 2 in polynomials and factorization. Coming to question number 1. Divide the polynomial 3x cube plus x square plus x by x. So you are asking divide 3x cube plus x square plus x by x. So coming to solution, here entire all terms x is common, just common x. That is 3x square plus x square. In x square x is common, only remaining x plus 1 by x. So the final answer is 3x square plus x plus 1. The final answer is 3x square plus x plus 1. Coming to question number 2, state the remainder theorem. He asking remainder theorem. So remainder theorem means let p of x be a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. P of x be a polynomial of degree p of x divided by linear polynomial x minus a. Then remainder is equal to p of a. Just coming observe. Let take p of a is a polynomial. It is divided by x minus a. P of x is a polynomial divided by x minus a, that equal to 0. We find remainder, the given dividing polynomial by equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to a. To replace a, to substitute a in given polynomial, that is equal to p of a. This is called the remainder. This is called the remainder of the given polynomial by dividing x minus a. Just observe. Okay. Coming to question number 3, second Roman. He asking find the remainder when x cube plus 1 divided by x plus 1. So just see the answer. First, the given polynomial taken as f of x. F of x is equal to x cube plus 1. F of x equal to x cube plus 1. And second polynomial g of x is equal to x plus 1. To find remainder, the second polynomial is equal to 0. That implies g of x is equal to 0, implies x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. To replace x is equal to minus 1, to replace x is equal to minus 1 in the f of x polynomial, that is equal to x cube minus 1, x cube plus 1, that implies f of minus 1 is equal to, here f of x is equal to x cube plus 1. So instead of x, to replace minus 1 whole cube plus 1. So negative power odd gives negative plus 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore the remainder of x cube plus 1 by divided by x plus 1 is 0. Okay, coming to question number 4. Find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. He asking remainder. First of all, the given, take the first polynomial, that is f of x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p. This is given polynomial. And the another polynomial is linear polynomial, that is equal to, I take g of x is equal to x minus p. To find remainder, the linear polynomial is equals to 0. That implies x minus p equal to 0, implies x is equal to p. To replace x is equal to p, to replace or substitute x is equal to p in the given polynomial f of x. So we find remainder. Therefore f of p is equal to, here f of x is equal to, just observe, x cube. So x, to replace x is equal to p. So here x cube means p cube minus p into x square, minus p into x square is p square plus 6x, 6 into p, and finally minus p. So we have to simplify this expression. Here p cube, these also p cube, Here 6p minus p, that equal to 5p. These two get cancelled. Therefore f of p is equal to, that is equal to 5p. This is called the remainder. This is called the remainder of this given polynomial. Okay, coming to question number 5. When a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. So I take the polynomial is f of x. F of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. This is given polynomial. This polynomial is divided by x minus 2 leaves remainder 2. Means x minus 2 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 2. So f of 2 is equal to 2. F of 2 means to replace x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial f of x we get. So f of 2 is equal to replace 2 here, 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square a into 2 plus b is equal to 2. Here observe 2 cube equal to 8, 8 to the 16 plus 4 into 3 12 plus 2a plus b is equal to 2. Here observe here 2a plus b, 2a plus b plus here observe 26 plus 12, 28. 2 transfer to left side, 28 minus 2 that is equal to 26, that is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Okay, I have to observe once. This is given polynomial. So this is linear expression. So given divide by x minus 2 leaves remainder 2. To replace 2 in given polynomial, this is first equation. Coming to second polynomial, and divided by x plus 2 leaves remainder minus 2. Therefore x plus 2 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 2. So leaves remainder means f of minus 2 is equal to remainder is minus 2. To replace minus 2 in given expression f of x, that is equal to 2 into minus 2 whole cube, 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b is equal to, here remainder is minus 2. Here observe there minus 2 whole cube, that is equal to minus 8 into 2 minus 16. Here plus 4 3 is 12 minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2, and remaining note numbers minus 2a plus b. This will transfer to left side, becomes net positive. This is 14 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is equation number 2. By solving equation 1 and 2, we will get the values of a and b. In equation 1, the value of here 2a, this is minus 2a. Add these two equations, 1 plus 2, we will get 1 is means 2a implies 2a plus b is equal to 26, 2a plus b plus 26 is equal to 0, and this is minus 2a plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. We will get these two. Here these two get cancelled. So I write here these two get cancelled. B plus b 2b. Here 26 minus 2, that is equal to plus 24 equal to 0. By using this, b is equal to minus 12. B is equal to minus 12. Okay, and to substitute b is equal to minus 12 in any one of these two equations. So I select equation 1. 1 implies here 2a. First write 2a. 2a after there is a b plus b. The value of b is equal to minus 12. And the final there is a constant 26. Plus 26 equal to 0. That is equal to 2a. 26 minus 12. That is equal to plus 6 minus 2 is 4. 14 is equal to 0. By using this, a is equal to minus 7. So the values of a is equal to minus 7 and b is equal to minus 12.